Hey everyone, this is Adam here from EOS Dublin, and we've got the Leonard Nimoy sale coming live now in 5 minutes and 45 seconds. So pretty excited for this one. Leonard Nimoy's family have come together with WAX and they're launching two pack variants. So you have the Nimoy standard pack, which comes with 10 shards, and you have the mega pack, which comes with 30. Now there's different chances. You can actually drop or pick up a collector's card and a golden card straight from the pack. Other than that, you're going to have to combine the shards similar to the Shatner sale. And then you've got a 62% chance to get a base card, all the way up to 6.25% chance at the pixelated cards. If we want to go back to the main website, you can see that there's 6 rarities available now. So you have the base, blur, flip, pixelate, collector, and golden. And of the golden edition, there's only 5 of those available. So if you check out nimoy.widney.io, you're able to check out the catalog, and from there you'll see all of the various shards and you'll see those 6 type of rarities. So on the base side, you have 50 different cards. On the blur, you've got also 50, all the way up to the golden edition where you have 1 of 5. So make sure you check out the website, check out the catalog. I better jump back to the sales page now because I've only got 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Now, make sure you check out the secondary markets. If you missed the sale, you can buy them on Atomic Hub. You can buy them on NFT Hive. And also does some FAQs, tells you a little bit about the project, a little bit about the late, great Leonard Nimoy, and some information about how you will trade the packs, how you will sign in to your wallet, etc., etc. So I'm really looking forward to this one. I'm going to stop the recording now. I'm going to record my screen throughout the sale and we'll release that later on. So may also do a review and also a giveaway for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned to the WAX School YouTube and Twitter page. Okay, everyone, this is Adam here from EOS Dublin. I've got 3 minutes and 30 seconds here to make my purchase. So wax on, everybody, and I'll see you very soon.